Hello guys, today I've got the JBL Go 5 speaker and I'm going to show you how to check the battery level of your speaker in your iPhone. So I need to tell you one crucial thing. You can't check the battery percentage in the system settings. Like without the application, it's just impossible. As you can see here I've got the battery widget and we don't have anything. I can add another one, the bigger one, here add widget and the batteries widget. And as you can see here, we've got only our iPhone, even though it's connected. So what to do? You need to have the application called JBL Portable. Then open it. And as you can see here, we've got our percentage. It will appear in a moment. 20%. That's our battery level. I don't know why JBL decided to not send the information, battery information to our iPhone, or both Android and iPhones, because the same issue appears on the iPhone. I don't know, maybe you'll explain this to me. I have no idea. But that's how to check the percentage. Goodbye.